in question 4 we have 5 books. So we've got 5 books, all different, and we have 10 people. So how many ways can we distribute these 5 books to these 10 people if no one gets more than one copy? Well, instead of thinking about this as giving books to people, which is kind of difficult, 5 books to 10 people, there aren't enough books so that everyone gets at least one. Why not try thinking about this as giving people to books, since, you know, each book goes to at most one person and each person gets at most one book. So we can think of how many ways can I distribute 10 people, can I choose 10 people to get one book. So the obvious way is how many ways can I choose 5 people from 10? Right, there are 5 books. I'm going to choose 5 people to get one book from the 10 people that I have. So the answer is 10 choose 5, and that is 252 ways. Part B is a little bit more tricky, because it says that I have 5 different books and they can be distributed among 10 people, but each person can get any number of books. Well, again, we think about this the other way. We think about this the other way. We don't think about people, we think about the books now. So the first book, second book, third book, fourth book, and fifth book. How many people could the first book be given to? Well, 10, and because there's no restriction on the number of ways that I give out these books, the second book could also be given to 10 people, as could the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So the number of ways is actually going to be 10 to the power of 5, or 100,000 ways.